Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons, all marked up again. This week we're going to learn the chord D. Okay, so to play the chord D, we're going to use our fingers 1, 2 and 3, and only the 2nd and the 3rd fret. So take finger number 1 on the 3rd string, the G string, place it on the 2nd fret and press down. Finger number 2, also on the 2nd fret, but on the E, the 1st string, the baby, and press down. Now the 2nd string is open between these two. So take finger number 3, place it on fret 3, on the B string, the 2nd string, and press down. Now from the 4th string down, from the D down, you've got your D. So use your thumb to mute the top 2 strings, the A and the E, the daddy, and just play down. There's your D. Okay, so now you know 2 chords. You already learned chord A, and now you learned the chord D. Keep on learning and practicing chord D, but now you can start switching between A and D. So start very slowly. Start at A, just a couple of downstrokes, very slowly. Move to D, slow and steady. Back to A, very slowly. I promise you guys it will get easier to switch between the chords. Just keep on practicing switching between those two. As we progress through the lessons, it will get even easier switching between more and more and more. So now you know a new chord, practice a new chord, the chord D. You already know A, practice switching between the two of them. Click subscribe, hit the bell, follow on Instagram, and keep on learning.